Hi everybody, this is Jen from Scrappy Posh, and I have a 4x4.5 mini album to share with you guys. This is a micro mini album. It's a 4x4.5 with a 2-inch spine, and this uses the DCWV matte stack, and I also have a tutorial for this album. So if you're interested in making one yourself, go see the tutorial. This one will be for sale on my Etsy shop. So the inside cover is plain, and this particular book has 8 of the same page. So there's a blank spot and a tag and a belly band, and this one has one of these little paper people in it. The belly band has a stopper, and there's 2 mats in that one, and a folder. And this, I put the page in backwards. It's actually supposed to be on this side, but then again, it gives you a nice big space for like the first day of school picture. There's a tag. And if you haven't seen me decorating these albums for my daughter's homecoming dance, I'll put the link to that in the, down below so you guys can see that. So now the other pages are all consistent with the belly band on the front. And it's got this little file folder. It's plain on the inside. 2 tags. I'll go ahead and take the tag out. And again, we have 2 photo mats, and then the file folder, and the large tag. Oh, there's a little apple with this paper doll. File folder, tags, I think they all have 2 mats in the file folder, with the exception of maybe one only has 1 of the mats, but they all have the file folder in them. There's the tag, file folder. The file folder's plain on the inside. 2 tags. And this is reinforced here, so you can always add ribbon or whatever. Oh, this one has two mats and a file folder in each one. They're not all like that. Some of them only have 1 mat in them. Not this one. This one has everything. Here we go. And then the back is plain again. So there's the spine, and then there's a wood veneer here on the front that's colored red with marker. The front is double matted. You see? So if you like this book and you want to purchase it, go to my Etsy shop, and I'll put the link in the description below. Thanks. Bye-bye.